Hey, it's Harcourt from Paper, and today we're talking about tabs, which are now live inside Paper. You can now have multiple files open at the same time in the same window and easily switch back and forth between them. But not just that. You can also have your agents work across all of these open files. You don't even have to be in the same file as one. So maybe you're working in file A, and maybe your agent's also in there, maybe in a different page. Then you can have another agent working in file B, another in file C, and another in file D. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how this all works. Let's get into it. In Conductor, I have my normal prompt written out, but we need to edit this because now that we have agents able to work on multiple tabs, we need to specify what tab we want the agent to do this particular prompt on. So we're going to say at the beginning here in the Learn section file in Paper, now create 5 different variations. So let's go ahead and get this one running. Now you can see that the agent is working in the file itself and also in the tab, and that's going to stay. Even if I go onto my next tab, you can see that that agent animation is still in the Learn section tab, which is where it's working right now. So now in my second tab, let's create a new prompt here. Let's paste this. And again, we want to make sure we're referencing the correct file here. The other way you can do this instead of typing in the name is to copy the link from Paper and then paste that in, and this will also work. Now let me show you what happens when we're working in the active file. So in this case, I have this tokens page where we have our light mode and our dark mode, and I want to apply dark mode to this dashboard. So let's just go ahead and duplicate it. So now let's go back into Conductor, paste this one in. Now, because I want to stay on this finance tab, we can actually just say in the active Paper file rather than specifying the name. Now that's very important until the agent starts working and then it knows what tab it's on. It has that context and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and get this one started. So now while the agent is working on the dashboard, we can go into the other file here. Actually, this is a cool example. You can see that the agent is going back and forth between the two pages in the same file. It went over to our tokens page so it could take a look at the light mode and the dark mode color tokens. And now it'll go back into the design page. Now you can see it's already working here to implement those colors. And while your agents are working across different files, you can of course go back into your dashboard and open a new file or create a new file. So we can do that here, and now it'll open as a new tab. From here, we could double click if we wanted to rename this to new file because I'm feeling so creative right now, or we could right click to reload this particular tab, copy the link, move it to the browser, open it in a new window, or close this tab or all of the other tabs. All of that typical tab functionality, all baked in. Now we are adding more functionality, so make sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and join our community channels on Slack and Discord because that's where we're going to post this information first. So thanks so much for watching this video. Go try out tabs and try out working with agents across multiple files at the same time in Paper.